Hi guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a long time since I've been here, since I've been shopping, but I did some shopping online. This is the series where I shop online and then I give you a review of what I think of the website, and I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm going to talk about the website, about the product quality and the delivery and returns, if I would shop there or not. So the website is mainly focused on evening and more dresses, and I think less casual because they only have a few selective items for everyday and more casual wear. But I mainly shopped for this top, which I'm going to show you there. So it kind of washes me out. It looks a bit frumpy, but I'm going to show you how it actually looks, and I don't think I'm doing justice now. But the website was easy to maneuver, easy to find what you needed, and they had, seems like they always have sale on, or they have always have promotions. I shopped with a promotion with a free delivery, which free delivery is not that expensive, and it was very easy to find what you needed. The sizing seems to be small, medium and large, which it's kind of good because they don't make a big quantity and they don't rely on every size to be sold out, because people either fit in one or the other. I only bought 3 items and I'm going to show you them, and they're all different. So I bought a top, a dress and a jumpsuit. Okay, going to delivery. Delivery was very easy. It did take, I think, 7 days to come, 7 working days, so it was okay. You don't expect everything to just come overnight because ASOS does it. I was okay with that because I just didn't need them in a hurry. Easy to return. I don't think I'm going to return any of them because I like them. That's why I only picked a few that I liked and I'm going to keep them. So they actually come in this. So packaging is not great. If you are buying a dress for over £100 or £1,000, you want a bit more presentation, and knowing that most women shop for these, I think considering your boxes and your packaging is very important. Yeah, it has the label for this website, but it's not necessarily the best packaging, I think. Actually, fantastic quality, and it looks beautiful and it finished beautiful. You can actually put belts with it and it would just look fabulous for an occasion, or if you want to wear it on holiday or any special events that you have coming up. So this is the jumpsuit. So the next one is actually my Va-Va-Voom dress. Look at this. It doesn't look like much because these are sleeves, but the print, it just reminds me of Dolce & Gabbana. So it has this ruching for the waist, which I absolutely love. I love anything that cinches me in because my waist is my smallest point, and that's what I want to emphasize, and then the rest it can be flowing. So that's a little secret just to show you, but it's just a super light. It moves beautifully. I will actually make it slightly dip in because I think it's just covering a bit too much and it doesn't quite show the beautiful dress. And it has straps, but you can also take it off, and it could be like a off the shoulder dress, and it's beautiful. I'm gonna wear it on holiday. It does need a bit of an iron in order to sit beautifully, but I just can't wait to wear this. It would just look so wonderful on, I think, anybody that just has a beautiful tan. What do you think of this? This dress is just my favorite. I think it looks so beautiful, but you can see the waist is very cinched in, and then they have these sleeves sort of cover up. That's why I want to make it like dip in like this, so you can see that I do have a waistline and it's not just covering my food belly. I absolutely love it with a beautiful tan and a bit of shimmer. This dress also has straps which goes like this, so it's beautiful that you can have the support but also have this. I wonder if you can put it up. I think you can. Will it look as nice? No, it doesn't actually. You just feel like it's a bit tight underneath. Yeah, I feel like this is, no, not quite what I'm thinking. And this is what the back looks like. Yeah, and it does have the zips. And the next one is actually this top. I think this is a lot of drama for what it is, but I absolutely love it. It is a bit open here, but I did put a pin because I'm not about to flash anything. And it has this elasticated belt, so you can eat as much as you want, and then it will still expand. I just feel like a ballerina in it, and I just love it. And the balloon sleeves actually work really well. This is what it looks like without it, and I just like to roll it up a bit. I wish it had more volume so it sits more away from the body, but it's okay how it actually looks. And I think this is a really nice top if you want to have either jeans on the bottom or have black trousers or for work. I actually wore this one and loads of people just complimented because you don't really see tops like this, and I think that's different, and I really like that about this top. They have different colors as well, but I just decided to go for coral because it's just quite different. But now that I look at it, it looks like I'm just blending into this. It has a lot of volume and I absolutely love it. What do you think? So if you enjoy these kind of videos with shopping with me on different websites, do subscribe and put your notification bell on, because this is how you're going to be notified when I post a new video, which I hope it will happen more often. So do subscribe and leave me a comment down below which item you like the most, and from me to you,